generator amps and volts, and fuel gauges for total fuel quantity, pressure, and flow rate. The hours reading at the left indicates total engine operational hours, which is tracked for maintenance intervals and other logging requirements. Outside of the displays, there are backup airspeed and altitude instruments, and various switches for critical functions. Down below the main dash, there's an audio unit for controlling internal and external communications, music, internal speakers, and more. Heading to the cyclic control stick, there are spaces for switches based on installed components. Things like communication modes, external cargo hook release, skid float inflation if installed, and so on. Moving left of the pilot's seat, we see the collective lever. Mounted to this lever, there's the engine throttle twist grip. Moving to the control head, there's a switch to start the helicopter's engine, and another switch for toggling different exterior lights. Directly above the collective, there's a couple of panels. The section towards the back is a circuit breaker panel for many critical onboard components. The forward panel controls lighting for the dashboard instruments, other internal and external lights, air conditioning, anti-ice and defog units, battery, and more. There's a lever for the rotor brake nearby to slow rotor rotation after landing and engine shutdown. The main battery is tucked underneath the dashboard and is accessible through a hatch at the front. I didn't realize until researching this project that helicopters entered mainstream usage 3 decades after the first powered airplane flights. The intricacies of spinning wings versus fixed wings took longer to iron out. Such graceful command over hovering, taking off, and landing on a specified point is a sight to behold.